everyone, this is Kyle from WeTechCareOfYou, and today I'm going to show you a very quick video on how you can get the current day on the current date in PowerApps. Now, as you can see at the time of this recording, it's the 13th. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull 13 using the day function. So I'll put a link to this Microsoft documentation in the video, but it's dead easy. Basically, I'll just put a label in here. Let me just make this font a lot bigger so we can see it. And all we want to do is we want to use the day function. So we do day, open brackets, and then we want to use the today function. So current date. Once I close the parentheses, there you can see it's pulled 13 because that's the current date. And that's how you get the current day. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe to the channel and take care. Thank you.